Everyone wants fast cash. The allure of making money quickly is a dream many chase. It's a tantalizing prospect, isn't it? The idea that you could wake up one morning and find your bank account overflowing with cash. The internet dangles shiny objects like affiliate marketing and crypto trading, promising quick riches. These opportunities seem to offer a shortcut to financial freedom, a way to bypass the traditional grind. But is it truly that easy? Can anyone just dive in and start making money without any prior knowledge or experience? The reality is often more complicated. Can you just click a few buttons and watch the money roll in? Or is there more to it than meets the eye? The truth is, success in these fields requires more than just a few clicks. We're going to dig deep here. No fluff, no sugarcoating. We'll explore the real effort, the strategies, and the mindset needed to succeed. It's about understanding the actual game, knowing the real rules. Just like a chess game, every move counts, and understanding the strategy is crucial. And figuring out which field, if any, you're genuinely built to play on. So buckle up, listen close. This journey isn't for the faint-hearted, but for those willing to learn and adapt. Let's get into it, for real. Prepare yourself for an in-depth look at what it takes to succeed in these competitive arenas. The ultimate showdown, affiliate marketing versus crypto trading. Let's go. This is where we separate the dreamers from the doers. What's affiliate marketing? Simple. It's a way to earn money online by recommending products or services to others. Recommend a product, someone buys through your link, and you get a commission. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the hassle of inventory or customer service. You don't create the product, you leverage others' hard work. This means you can focus on what you do best, connecting with your audience. Promote anything, software, courses, Amazon products, travel bookings. The possibilities are endless, and you can choose what aligns with your interests. Your job? Find your niche, your audience, and connect them with products they'll love. This involves understanding their needs and preferences. Earnings vary. Some make pocket change, others build empires. It all depends on your strategy, effort, and the value you provide. Skills needed? Content creation, trust building, SEO. These are essential to attract and retain your audience. Imagine a blogger who loves hiking, writes gear reviews, links to products, and earns a cut. It's about sharing your passion and expertise. Authentic recommendations, not spamming links, are key. Building trust with your audience is crucial for long-term success. It takes patience and consistent effort. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, the rewards can be substantial. Now let's talk crypto trading, a different beast. Buy and sell digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The goal? Buy low, sell high. Sounds simple, but the market is volatile. Potential for profit is massive, but so are the risks. Prices can crash fast. You could lose everything. Scams and hacks are real threats. You need market analysis, technical charting, and risk management skills. Think of it like high-stakes poker. Skill, market reading, and a bit of luck are crucial. For every winner, there's someone left holding the bag. Let's compare effort and payout speed. Affiliate marketing starts slow. Building an audience and trust takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But once established, it can become more passive. Old content can keep earning money, but updates and engagement are still needed. Crypto trading feels immediate. Trades can be made in minutes, profits or losses seen quickly. It's addictive and time-intensive, especially for day traders. Some take a long-term approach, requiring less screen time but strong nerves. The learning curve for trading is steep, requiring study and practice. Weighing the pros and cons: affiliate marketing, lower financial risk, no inventory, long-term business potential. Leverages, passion and expertise, potential for passive income. Cons: slow profitability, inconsistent income, dependency on merchant programs, algorithm changes can impact traffic, competition is fierce. Crypto trading, high potential returns, market open 24/7, exciting and dynamic. Low entry barrier, but understanding is key. Cons: high risk of losing capital, volatile market, steep learning curve. Susceptible to scams, emotionally draining, requires constant vigilance. The final verdict: which path is your path? This is a question many aspiring entrepreneurs face. The decision between affiliate marketing and crypto trading can be daunting, but it ultimately comes down to understanding yourself and your preferences. There is no single answer that fits everyone. It's about what's a better fit for you. Each path has its own set of challenges and rewards. Your personality, risk tolerance, skills, and goals matter significantly in making this choice. Are you someone who enjoys creating content and engaging with an audience, or do you thrive on analyzing market trends and making quick decisions? Both paths can lead to success or frustration. It's important to recognize that neither path is inherently better. It's about what aligns with your strengths and interests. If you enjoy content creation and a sustainable model, affiliate marketing might be for you. This path involves building a brand, creating valuable content, and fostering relationships with your audience. It's about patience, persistence, and providing value consistently. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires dedication and a long-term vision. On the other hand, if you have a higher risk appetite and enjoy market analysis, crypto trading might be your calling. This path can be highly rewarding but also comes with significant risks. Educate yourself, manage risk, and understand the market. Continuous learning and staying updated with market trends are crucial for success in crypto trading. Ultimately, it's about self-awareness. Know yourself, do your research, and choose the path that resonates with you the most. Whether you're building an affiliate empire or navigating the volatile world of crypto, success requires hard work, smart decisions, and relentless hustle. Be prepared to put in the effort and stay committed to your goals. Now go make it happen. The choice is yours, and the journey is what you make of it.